Nuremberg, a city steeped in history and culture, stands as a captivating destination in Germany that offers a blend of medieval charm, significant historical sites, and a modern vibrant atmosphere. With its rich heritage, Nuremberg beckons travelers to explore its well-preserved architecture, museums, and diverse attractions that reflect its past and present. The Nuremberg Castle, perched atop a hill, is an architectural masterpiece that traces its origins to the Middle Ages. The castle complex, comprising several buildings and towers, provides panoramic views of the city and offers a glimpse into the region's medieval history. The imperial castle's deep well, with its intricate construction and unique design, is a testament to medieval engineering. The well descends to impressive depths and showcases a remarkable feat of architecture and ingenuity. Nuremberg's Old Town, surrounded by intact city walls and fortified towers, is a visual delight that transports visitors to another era. The Hauptmarkt, the main market square, hosts the beautiful fountain and the Frauenkirche, an exquisite Gothic church. The square is also famous for the Christkindlesmarkt, a renowned Christmas market that fills the air with festive spirit. The Documentation Center Nazi Party Rally Grounds, a museum and educational site, offers insights into the city's darker history as the site of Nazi propaganda events. The permanent exhibition sheds light on the rise of the Nazi regime and its impact on Nuremberg and the world. For art enthusiasts, the Albrecht Dürer House, the former residence of the renowned artist, showcases his life and work. Visitors can explore Dürer's workshop, discover his masterpieces, and gain a deeper understanding of his contributions to art history. The Germanisches National Museum, one of the largest cultural history museums in the world, features a vast collection of artifacts, art, and historical items that offer a comprehensive view of German culture and heritage. Nuremberg's culinary scene is a treat for food enthusiasts, with traditional dishes like Nürnberger Rostbratwurst, grilled sausages, Lebkuchen, gingerbread, and the iconic Nürnberger Bratwurst Glöcklein, one of the oldest sausage restaurants in the city. Nuremberg's commitment to innovation is evident in its modern developments, such as the Nuremberg Zoo and the Playmobil Fun Park, both of which offer family-friendly experiences that blend entertainment and education. Nuremberg is a city that embodies the layers of history, culture, and innovation. Whether it's exploring medieval architecture, delving into the city's historical significance, savoring traditional cuisine, or engaging with modern attractions, Nuremberg invites travelers to embark on a journey that embraces the diverse facets of this captivating German city.